buddy. Just don't drop it on me.
I won't. Probably.
Look, the green Infinity Stone is real.
If it's real, we must find it.
The map says, go where the ocean breathes.
Charge, mighty steed!
I'm not a steed, Rico.
Did you hear that?
Relax. It's just ancient spooky stuff.
Follow me. I fear nothing.
Good, because I fear everything in here.
It moved! I swear it moved!
Even if it did, run first, scream later. Oops, I touched something.
Rico! Stop touching things!
You first. You're braver.
No, wait. Hey!
Nice hat!
Get it off! Get it off!
Is that the stone's reflection?
Then the stone must be close. Back! Something's rising!
Please don't be a ghost!
And very watery.
Who seeks the ocean's heart?
Us? Friendly visitors?
We seek the green Infinity Stone to protect our world.
We mean no harm.
The stone tests those with pure intent.
We're, like, super pure. You okay?
My face met destiny, and the floor.
These must be tests.
Great! I love failing tests. Why is the air trying to kidnap me?
Hold on! I gotcha!
Whoa, it likes me.
Or it's inspecting you, carefully.
Punch the water!
Yes! Totally normal!
It's working.
Kind of.
Leon, I'm shrinking.
Wait, no, just missed. Stay close, buddy. If you're a ghost, please be friendly.
Courage acknowledged.
Did we pass?
I think so. Your journey continues. Claim the stone if you endure.
Endure? Why does that sound bad?